So right now we're just folding 8.5 by 11. The big dummy is the operator. Somebody put that in there. There's our rate, our count. We have a counter here on this thing, and how to set up your sheets and all that. All this stuff works. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just folding 8.5 by 11 in half twice, so it's 4 panels. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the job. So I'm going to hit new job, and I'm going to pick a job, like letter fold. I can go up, no lip, up and down. I can do whatever I want here. So I'm just going to letter fold up like that. I'm going to select it. I'm going to use 8.5 by 11. And then I'm going to say yes. Now you'll see the plates will start moving. On their own, they're going to come back home and then set up the job. Under here, 2 more plates. See, it's finding its spot. Okay, so now we should be able to do it just, now we're set up for a letter. So we went from half and half to a letter fold. Screen, you have a maintenance screen. It tells you what needs to be done on the machine. You can set how often you want to do it, and then it'll warn you when it's time. It'll tell you to do that. So here it's telling us we got to replace the grease cans. There's no days left out at 270, so I don't know how far past we are, but that's pretty common. It's a maintenance item. Okay. You have manuals on this machine, so you can look up your operator's manual, your parts manual, your stacker parts. So if you hit one of those, there's your book. You can go through and find part numbers if you had to order parts for the machine. Okay. Troubleshooting, you can go through here and pick, it'll tell you what to do. Let me see if I can find, there's another page. We'll do a new job. I think I'll do a new job. Dirty finger. So let's just say I want to do a half fold out, up, hit select, 8.5 by 11 paper. I'll select that paper size. Now I'll do like feeder setup, for instance. Now you gotta wait for it to move all the plates. So it's finishing up. Almost done there. So I can go to now here, if you look, when you're doing your setups, if you don't know what you're doing, you can hit a little video and it'll show you how to do the adjustment that they're talking about here. So this machine will walk you through the whole setup. Okay, how to position the drag blocks. There's another video. So they have written instructions and a built-in video system. So it shows you what they're trying to tell you to do when you set up the machine, and then it'll actually show you how to do it. Okay? So it's a pretty good little system.